we go. Next stage of our project. This is my go-to paint for rust proofing. So I'm going to start here in the middle of the transmission tunnel and work my way forward, and I'll pick it up when I get done. I'll spare you the boredom of watching somebody paint. Nothing special, but it did go on real well. As you can see, it's been a few days. This is supposed to be, by the way, this is supposed to be a matte black, and it turns out to be a glossy black, but it's not wet. But it did cover nicely. Nice milestone for the project. Got this done. Let me hop around to the other side. These big holes were for the seat belts. I will probably just caulk over those for now. Seal those up. I'm not sure what the little holes are for, but I'll just seam seal over that as well. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for seat belts. I'd rather go for shoulder harnesses if I could, but there's no way to do shoulder harnesses. Anyway, everything looks good. Looks like I've made progress. So now I do the seam sealing and lay down the soundproofing mat. Anybody has any comments, questions? Leave them below. Otherwise, I'll move on. Amazon has delivered my box of sound deadening mats and my rollers today. So I thought I'd do a quick reveal / unboxing. These are made by Killmat. 80 mil, 36 square feet, 34 sheets. That's 68 sheets altogether. And it should be interesting to see how far this goes. Here's our instruction sheet. And our mat. About 1/8 of an inch thick. The way this works is you lay it down and you smooth it out with the roller until the little bubbles disappear. So it'll be interesting to see how that works. I've never done that before. Here's our rollers that I ordered to go along with it. Got 3 sizes. Got large and medium and small. They have bearings in them. This isn't a professional shop. I've only got a couple projects, so this should suit me just fine. Hey group, we're gonna wrap this one up right here. Major milestone achieved. Got the floor patches fabricated and welded in. Got everything ground down, got it painted, rust proofed, and we got our seam sealer laid down. A little bit thick, but this was practice, so next time I won't use so much. But there was a lot to cover. One tube did it, and I'll show you what I used. in a minute. Major milestone. Feels good. This takes about 7 days to cure, so I'm going to use, I'm going to put the sound deadening installation, sound mat installation in a separate video. As you can see, I just about got it all covered. I don't think I missed anything. I've got my small little holes plugged over here and over here where the old heater, auxiliary heater unit used to be bolted in. That's what this is for. Anywho, got her done. I'll give it a week to cure before I move on. I do have a new brake pedal mount to fabricate. I might do that before I put the sound mat deadening in. Sound deadening mat. I might do that before I put the sound deadening mat in, and that way I'm not messing that up while I'm crawling around trying to fabricate this brake mount. I'll reveal that here in the next video as well. But as you can see, we got her done. Looks good. It's almost ashamed to cover it all up. And this was what I used. Did a little research. Other people have used this for seam sealing and automotive use, so this is what I used. We'll see how it works. See how it cures up. Like I said, I'll end the video here. It's Thursday, July 18th. Weekend's coming up. I wanted to get this video posted over the weekend, and we'll go from there. So, wrap this video up. Appreciate you guys sticking around, and come back for more. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. This is David with Trashcan Garage. Catch y'all later. Bye.